How to fix Xbox cannot verify email. To fix an Xbox account that cannot verify its email, log into your account via an incognito browser window. So head backwards and launch any web browser of your choice. Tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top right corner, then open the new incognito tab option. From here, you simply have to head to the official website of the Xbox. Once you are here within the website, proceed to log into your account, or you can also verify it from this. Or what you can also do is simply download the official Xbox application from your device's app store and launch the application. Once you're here, all you have to do is resend the verification code to your email, then open your email application or Gmail application on your device. From there, you simply have to find or locate that exact email and copy, or simply tap on that link to verify your email. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.